Welcome to Fishing Nation TV. My name's Arthur, and this is what I'm gonna do. Just got me a dirt bike, and you know how they usually, they put in a little oil, but I want to change my oil. I've been riding for a while, about 10 hours. I usually, switch it out by then. So what I'm going to do today, I have a Apollo x19, and I'm gonna change the oil today. And what you're gonna need is you're gonna need your ratchet and a 17 millimeter. You're gonna need your oil pan, a nice decent sized oil pan. You don't want it splattering all over the place, because we're outside, obvious. We're not in the garage, but you wouldn't want it in your garage. You wouldn't want it all over the ground either. You know what they say, take it, put it in a container. I used to put it in an old oil container and take it, get it, put it where you're supposed to put it in a little recycling bin. And got a funnel for the oil, and you're gonna need your motor oil. Okay, my older oil, I usually have like 1040. That's usually a standard for bikes and all. And you have to get the one with the bike on it. You can't just get regular motor oil, car motor oil for those that don't know. That's just starting on the dirt bike thing or whatever. But the reason is because you have a clutch on there, and when you squeeze that clutch, it depends on the friction to catch. And if you use the regular motor oil, that has additives, so it reduces the friction, and that's you're gonna have clutch slippage, and that's not gonna work. But anyway, I got that out the way. Let's go ahead and get here. So the more hard you ride your bike, the more you should change your oil regularly. Me, I try to race out there like I'm like a crazy madman trying to win a street race. Shift, shift, shift. So I'm gonna change my oil regularly, because that'll help you, keep your bike in good condition. All right, so we're gonna go over here, and I'll show you on my bike up underneath here, if you can see it. Yep, there's the bolt right there. That's your 17. That's what I'm gonna be doing. Pan, put it right up underneath there, and I'm gonna lean back on here, and you take the little oil dipstick out. It helps it to drain better. But before you do all that, before you slide the pan, just warm it up a little bit, because when you warm it up, you get all the flow a little better. I already pre-warmed it up and everything, but I was just, showing you the start up and everything. Usually, 3 to 4 minutes, that'll get it nice and warm enough for us to do our job. All right. Right here. We're going here, and as I say, we're gonna take this off. This will help it to drain a lot better. You want to hold on to this, and you want to hold on to the washer right here. This washer, it helps it seal, you know, so you can have a good tight seal. As you can see, my oil is nasty. It's been time to change that, right? It ain't light brown, honey brown, whatever you want to call it. And after that, you want to rock the bike side to side so you get all that access. See how we're working all on those cavities. Get it all out. You want to get out as much oil as you can. Still pouring out.
See, I'm already finished. Okay.
Now that we poured the oil out, rock the bike side to side to get all the oil out, we're going to put everything back together. We're going to put the bolt back in, tighten it up. And my spec says 18 foot-pounds of torque, you know. But I mean, I've done it a few times, so I know about how tight. But don't go by what I say, because usually if you have a torque wrench, please use it. Because if you over-tighten a bolt and snap it off, it's going to be more trouble than a little bit. So make sure if you have a torque wrench, go ahead and tighten it down to 18 pounds of torque. That's for mine. But you look in your manual, make sure you know that's what yours says, and you should be okay. And we're gonna put the top back on right here. That's after we put the oil in. But first, we're gonna go ahead and get that bolt back in there. Again, make sure you have the washer on there, and if it's worn out, change it out, because that can cause you to have an oil leak. Alright, and one more thing. If you're changing your filter out, you know what I mean, I would change it out every other time, but usually you're supposed to change it out every time, you know. But make sure the way you take it out, that's the exact way you put it back in. And when you put it in, make sure, you know, you put some new oil on there, so when you put it back in, it'll seal in just right. Now that we got that tightened, we're gonna put some oil in here. Got your fancy dancy oil funnel. First. Usually I put about 3/4 in there, you know, and I'm gonna check it on out. Alright. And I put about 3/4 of the oil in there. And this is how I check my oil. I don't screw it all the way on. It might give you an incorrect. All I do is I drop it in there and I level out the bike. Because you know, my bike's on a kickstand. You drop it in there, make it level, about the way you ride it. Lean on back, and check it out. And it seems like I'm full. But what I usually do, I go ahead and put it on in there. Bolts on tight, 18 pounds of torque, my specs, my book. Put that on there, and I run it. Let the oil run through it. And then after I do that, I check it again. It would help if I put the key in the on position. Right. Alright, now that I've done that, I'm gonna check it out again. Check that off. Flow into all the crevices it needs to flow into, and we're gonna check it on out and see what it does.
Now can I talk? When are you gonna make my noodles?
Wait. Alright. As I done before, what I'm gonna do is just sit it down in there. Lean it forward, lean it back. Check it out. Seems like we in the game. I think we're gonna be all right. All where it needs to be. And oh, one more thing. You know, while you're changing your oil, as I say, you can check that out while you're changing your oil, and check this seal out right here while you're changing your oil. If it's just wobbly and you need to change it out, you know, so you can get that nice seal, you know, for all that oil to be flowing around in there. You won't have any leaks or anything. And after you're done, you screw this on, you know, tight, but not too tight. You don't want to snap it off in there, you know. And check up underneath here. Make sure there's no oil leaks, and make sure that's tight. And you're ready to ride. Arthur here, Fishing Nation, and as usual, everybody stay awesome.
What about me? Okay. Click subscribe. Click indications.